Hello, it's Bart here from stiXskin.com, and in today's quick tutorial I'll just show you how to apply stiXskins on poles. I have a Pheasants Carbon Pro poles today with me. You will find the adjustable poles there with top part to be a bit shorter, wider, and is a carbon fibre bottom. You will find that this actually doesn't stay that well, but stiXskin will be absolutely fine with that. Now, with every order, you will receive the stiXskin. Here is a pair, which is fine for this type of pole. For some of them, you just need one stiXskin for poles, or for some others, like wider, longer, and thicker, a few more. You will also receive reflective tape, which you might put on in different ways, or you might just leave behind if you rather not. And you will receive like a sealant tape to finish off the stiXskin. Now, let me start doing it, and I'll show you how quick and easy it is to do that. So, just some unpeeling bit there, fitting it right into the middle of the pole, checking the other end. You probably feel noises there at the background with the desk, but hopefully cutting it out. You could either just measure it and use these scissors. You could use the paper as a measurement. That could be an idea. I went just a little bit quicker way around, and I'm starting to gradually smoothing it out. Here is because of the angle of the handle. I just need to trim the stiXskin a little bit more here, so it just takes slightly longer, but you just want to make sure it all perfectly nicely fit. Good job is really to allocate yourself a couple of minutes, maybe a bit more, depending on what poles you have. Quiet, so there is no rush in there. And again, I'm gradually smoothing it all out to finish the first part. Nearly there. The safety knife, if the sharper it is, the better. So that's the top is done. It's closing nicely here. Now moving gradually to the bottom, which we do exactly the same as with the top part. Okay. This, by the way, if you wondered, this pattern is called the dotted neon, and it's on different accessories, the carry bag for poles, or the poles itself, or just the skins if you already have poles. Then the Nordic walking gloves, bandana, and fingerless gloves I'm using today. Let me just smooth it out till the end, and you see nicely closing it at the back. The border line is perfectly fitting because those are 16mm wide poles. For some others, if you have a little bit of a gap, you could again put the reflective tape there, or just put another sticker on. Now here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that reflective tape at the back. So it's again that silver adhesive too. So I'm just peel off that bit off the. Okay, well that looks nice. Probably doesn't look that nice here on with the pink. They be all coming in different colors also. So I'm only just wrap it round the bottom part of the pole, and then I continue further down. That would probably give enough of the reflectivity. Now the sealant tape, again that cell adhesive. So it's like a cold laminate foil, which only goes then on top of that, on top of the end. The end sticks together, but however, you might find that occasionally will start to come off slightly. Then if there is any dust, sand coming, over time you will find that the stiXskin wouldn't look nice. So strongly suggest you to use the sellotape or the provided tape. You can use the sellotape also. Smoothing it out, and the top part now is done. With bottom here, I will use just straight away the longest bit. Checking that might be just at the back, as if you're using the reflective tape, then you might make sure that the connection will be at the back, and you will find the back of the pole here, obviously with the different type of ending. Now the claw ending obviously will tell you which is front and back. If you have the round ending, it doesn't really matter. You can then turn the bottom shaft round. With this one again, I'm smoothing it out. Here is much simpler. I'm just using hole. The pole tape a little bit just there at the bottom. It's getting just a bit near towards the end, more narrow, but that is fine. The top bit is very quickly to do. The bottom, I would just take a little bit more time to smooth it out, so I have least of the creases possible. There are some creases where the pole tapers are possible, but again, with the patterns we have here, they are not visible. And the same story again. So I'll be placing now either the tape, I could use possibly different color. I have this color also, which I think might suit just a little bit nicer than the other one. So peeling that off, trying to glue it just right on that place where the ends connect. So I'm cover that bit, or you can just simply go for the back of the pole instead. Yes, that color definitely looks better. Okay, and finish it off with the called laminate. Laminate coming there, right to the back, smoothing it out the same way as before, trying to avoid any air inside, air bubbles. And the other part of the pole is done. Before and after. Now it might ask also, is that right the bottom bit? We're going to do this bit as well. Let me just cut that end of the foil first, so it's not on the skin. Make his skin right even. I use them there. I might continue with the color, I might change the color if you like. I will just cut that one somewhere where the yellow finish and the other color starts. Roughly estimate, taking it off. Roughly estimate it's going to be somewhere here, so I just cut that bit off, and basically I will just follow the same action, smoothing it out gradually, adding on top. I will discontinue now the reflective tape, only just use that called laminate to finish it off. cut again, right at the bottom. And smooth it all out. If there are any imperfections there, there's a good time to find here. There is a foil. It's probably because I'm recording the video rushed a little bit. Could cut out, take some off, or just smooth it out. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, the pole is done. Matching gloves. That's all. And enjoy the outdoors with style. Take care. stiXskin.com, that's where you can find those things. Take care. Bye bye.